Ambernath, Kalyan, and Ulhasnagar, Mumbai's satellite cities, had problems.
Those who are affected with the corona viruses, they are traveling on the local rickshaw and they are infecting other also because there is no protection on each and every rickshaw. Secondly, we have also seen that in local ambulance they are charging more than a 2,500, 3,000. They are taking 1,000 rupees as a PP card kit charge. Ambernath area is having a 35 square kilometer area and these charges is very painful to the citizens.
Solution: ambulance auto rickshaws.
पाण्यामध्ये 2 थेंब टाका.
A partnership or jugaad between local citizen groups, auto rickshaw drivers, and local traffic police to provide affordable transportation to COVID patients who do not need a full-fledged ambulance. Result: the Jeevdani Medical Service. Autos are modified slightly to ensure safety, like this glass partition between the driver and the patient.
If you can see the sticker, we have installed the number, helpline number. Apart from that, this rickshaw is totally packed. You can also see this oxygen cylinder is installed over there. This is the portable oxygen cylinder. If any patient suddenly got breathless, they can use this cylinder and they can survive till the reach to the hospitals. Another thing is that if you can go each and every important numbers, if any patients miss the hospital, they can contact the concerned officer and other hospital too. This is the sanitizer bottle. After every trip, the driver will going to sanitize each and every rickshaw. And we have a very good quality sanitizer liquid is there. We have also given the PP kit to the rickshaw driver. While taking the infected patient to the hospital, it is a mandatory each and every drivers to wear the PP kit.
Mohammed is one such rickshaw ambulance driver.
हमारा कोई ड्यूटी का टाइमिंग नहीं है, हम लोग 24 घंटा अलर्ट है। अगर हमको रात में 3 बजे भी अगर कॉल आता है या मैसेज आता है तो हम लोग तुरंत सर्विस देने के लिए अवेलेबल है।
I am sitting inside an auto ambulance in Ambernath. This service began on May 10th, considering the shortage of ambulance services in the country amid the raging pandemic. So today there are around 25 autos that are operational here and more are expected to be added very soon.
So how does the service work? A driver reaches a patient within 10 minutes of call on the helpline. While the service is free for the poor, others are charged as per the meter on the auto, say drivers. The drivers are also being trained to collect payments online via UPI services. But despite several protective measures, there are challenges.
Instructed strictly our auto drivers to wear PP kit whenever they are in action. Okay, so I mean sometimes what happens, it's unfortunate that some patients don't disclose that they are positive or infected. That's quite risky part for auto drivers also or for others also.
DCP Balasaheb Patil of the Thane Traffic Police says they have received a very good response so far and plan to widen the reach.
अभी तक जो रिक्शा एम्बुलेंस शुरू है उसमें बहुत ही अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स है। अंबरनाथ में मिनिमम कॉस्ट पे सेवा दे रहे हैं, यानी जो रेगुलर रिक्शा है उसी के कॉस्ट पे वो सेवा दे रहे, सर्विसेज दे रहे। तो ये सब पब्लिक के लिए बहुत अच्छा है। तो इस तरह की सर्विसेज कहीं नहीं मिल सकती, जो सस्ती भी है और आपको ये क्रिटिकल सिचुएशन में डोर स्टेप पे मिल सकती है।